was kind of zoomed in for a second, just to see those water coolers you got there. I mean, there are no Jay-Z's, come on now, but this is black people that are, we got them lips.
And they're nice and shiny too.
I know, yeah, look like you just...
No, because I don't want to come out there and they all cracked up because they done... When I get fillings and stuff, my lips be so... They hurt afterwards. Because they be just... They so
No, wait, hold on. You know how you just started that, right? When I get feelings, like, you made it sound like the city of Columbus, fills potholes. Like,
no, they fill the holes in my mouth.
I know, but you made it sound...
Potholes in my teeth.
You made it sound so casual, like, oh, they've done it before, so...
I mean, I've had a couple fillings.
How many fillings?
I've had 6 fillings.
Oh, my God.
And that was in a span of 3 sessions. The second session, did I tell you about the second session?
No.
The second session,
I mean,
when they use the needle and they numb your gums.
Yeah.
When they did that, my jaw locked up and I couldn't open my mouth. I could only open it like that much. And they couldn't even finish because they couldn't open my mouth to even do the filling. They did 1 filling. And they probably didn't even do it that good. But after they did the one, it was like, okay, we just can't. We can't do the other. We have to come back. And I couldn't open my mouth for like a couple hours. I couldn't eat for a couple hours. So
you was dying.
Yeah, because I'm a fat ass.
No. The thing is like, no.
No. It's traffic.
We'll be alright. No, I remember when I got two teeth pulled, and I so bad I wanted to just eat, but I knew it wasn't happening.
Because you mentally know you can't eat, so then you want to eat.
Yeah, of course.
Like probably tomorrow, because today I'm probably gonna be sleep all day.
Because nobody want to do.
I'm gonna be really hungry tomorrow.
No, I'm gonna have some soup. What?
I don't eat soup.
Exactly.
I don't do broth.
Okay, whoever in their life said, I want some soup, unless they were sick or they wasn't feeling good.
I've heard people say that, and that's weird to me.
Oh, you know what? Okay. Well,
I mean, my viewers are not weird if they like soup. Y'all eat y'all's soup. Drink y'all's soup. I don't know. After recording with you in the car with me.
Well, even then, I'm trying to make sure that I'm like.
I look good.
I want to make sure I'm Afro Scorsese here.
Hey, don't be all focused in my nostrils.
Out of all people, you want to talk about focusing on nostrils? I can smell flowers 2 miles from here because I got that wide black nose. It's alright.
Okay, guys, we are on our way to the oral surgeon. I'm getting my wisdom teeth extracted off course. I haven't done any drugs or alcohol for 48 hours.
I like how
doctor's orders.
I like how they tell you that. Like, if you're planning on shooting up some heroin into your arm,
I haven't shot up any heroin, haven't done any cocaine for 48 hours, and I haven't eaten or drinking anything since midnight last night. So my stomach is rumbling, and I'm starving because I normally have probably already eaten at this point, and I'm probably going to have a headache here in like a half an hour since I haven't had any coffee. So I'm just going to be all around it's going to just suck. Balls. The language on this channel right now. So yeah, I plan to sleep all day. Oh, by the way, it's 8:02. I'm supposed to be there in, 13 minutes, which I'll probably be there in 5. And, yeah, I'm going to take off my earrings because I can't wear any jewelry. And I don't have any nail polish on. You told me not to wear nail polish or makeup. But the eyebrows are still on fleek. Yeah. And I did my hair 2 nights ago so that I would not have to mess with it all weekend. The goddess braid going on. If you want to see how I did this goddess braid, there will be a link. And it's already posted. Cameraman looking hot behind the camera. So awkward. I'm hoping to lose like 5 pounds since I can't really eat.
Oh my God.
So, let you guys know if I lost any weight, and I'll be drinking most of my food for the next couple days. That's probably one of the biggest upsides to getting your teeth pulled. The weight loss, at least for women, I guess. So yeah. Clean off my ears from my earrings. Do your ears ever stink when you take off your earrings, or is it just me?
Is it similar?
So random.
Is it similar to how the belly button stank is?
I think so. I think it's because I sleep in my earrings.
Well, like no, like it's just.
So,
I think like bacteria just it
but I
grows.
feel like when I take my earrings off, my ears stink. Like, hence the baby wipes right here.
Oh my God.
And making sure I don't have any eye boogers.
You'd be alright.
I did wash my face, but sometimes the eye boogers is a little hard to get out.
Yeah,
You got any eye boogers? Oh, this is so funny to me right now. Oh my gosh.
You gonna put some spit on your thumb and then.
Oh, look, give me that wipe.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is like social media inception. This is ridiculous.
I know, right? Can you see my selfie? Look good.
You gotta work the umbrella in the routine. You gotta do the.
Oh my gosh. Alright, people are starting to stare.
Let them.
Are you recording?
Yeah, let them stare.
So, here is my outfit of the day. My OOTD. My black leggings. Spaghetti strap top.
Oh my gosh.
My, what do you call this? My jacket type. I wear this to the gym, by the way. This is like a gym outfit for me. And then my go bag. I usually shop when I go to the mall with this because it's so lightweight and it goes over the shoulder and it carries the essentials, which is the wallet, the keys, and the lip gloss. In my case, chapstick.
a.k.a. look like you bit into a big piece of church's chicken.
Yeah. So, yeah. It's a nice gloomy day out here. It's not too cold. Not hot at all. And, yeah, we're gonna go on in here. My last up of film, by the way, was a slice of cake that my coworker Kay gave me. It was delicious cake. Smooches. And Little Caesars pizza. And Pepsi.
And there's no time for fussing and fighting, my friend.
He's really into music.
I'm always
Okay.
Oh, there we go. So, could I tell you a little story about the walrus and carpenter?
It was awesome.
Yeah. They got you all.
My tongue is numb.
Your tongue and now?
My tongue is numb.
Oh, okay.
That's my place. Okay.
Yeah, it looks cool. I mean, other than you look like a character from Mario Brothers.
Oh my God. I need more painkillers, guys.
Well, we'll get that taken care of, and then that way, in the meantime, you won't look like you'll be doing Super Bowl Budweiser endorsements.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
We're waiting on Dr. Bass to bring you your prescription.
Okay.
Yeah, he's going to come talk to you.
Okay.
Let you know what went on.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so are you feeling mighty fine?
Sleepy.
Sleepy?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
And my teeth hurt.
Make sure she gets some food, here soon. She's going to want to sleep probably for a while, but try to get her home with some
We can
food.
get some Gatorade on the way home.
Some guy.
Gatorade.
Probably been almost 12 hours since she's eaten more.
That's a good fast. Hey, I'm letting you know, intermittent fasting is excellent for the metabolism.
Is the heat on in the car?
Let me go ahead and get
Feel the
taken
drugs
care of.
in my veins.
You can feel the drugs in your
I
veins.
could, and I put me to sleep. And they said something, whatever they put in my arm was gonna make me itch. And I immediately started itching in my butt. So I'm going like this. I do remember.
Wait, do that one more time.
Yes.
So you could feel the. Wait, did you do a countdown?
No.
Right out.
Right out. Yeah. Once I started feeling it in my butt, then I was like, okay. Yeah.
They got you.
It's time.
Oh, I can kind of see a little bit of a brown on the side here.
It's whitening up a little bit. I'll try to do it again.
Yeah, you got that brown color on the side of the
I
braid.
feel like I need more lip gloss.
Oh no. Name now is Roland for the time being.
Alright.
Oh,
I'm going to do the same thing before I just lock your knee.
yeah, let me go ahead and get it in focus here.
My mouth hurts.
Yeah, we got Afro Scorsese
Oh, my tongue hurts.
getting some footage of So Jurassic Park had a director's cut.
I want you killing me. I'm not like that.
Oh, well, I mean, it is the law, but
I feel like I'm about to drool.
remember that one video we were watching?
Oh, I'm so hot. I take my shirt off. I'm Okay, let's go do this ASAP because I'm really hurt.
Okay. Yeah, no, we're
Like right here.
we're about to
Okay.
head to go get the drugs now.
Getting drugs now. So we'll see in a little bit. So I just left my surgery. My tongue, the tip of my tongue is really numb, and my jaw's hurt. But we're wanting to go get drugs and Gatorade so that I'm fully hydrated. But the nurses were freaking awesome. We were telling jokes before I actually went under. And Alicia Keys' plan, I told the nurses, and no offense to the nurses, they were all white. I said, man, this is an awesome Alicia Keys album. And they're like, yeah. But they weren't hyped to Alicia Keys. So, yeah, it's all good. How attractive is this coming? I don't know. And I'm gonna put the camera down because my hands are like kind of flimsy. And I kind of want to put my earrings back in so I look cute. But you guys want to see some blood? I want to show you some blood. Look at that blood right there. It's so gross. Maybe a better picture of the inside of my mouth. We're gonna put that back in, I guess. It's so nasty. Gag reflex. Okay, you're gonna get over it too. So I will see you guys later when I'm a little more awake. So peace out. Say peace out, baby.
Peace out.
Okay. He's freaking awesome, by the way. Bye.